Good morning, students. Today we will start with the new functionality provided by the MongoDB. It is nothing but MapReduce. Okay. So as per the MongoDB documentation, MapReduce is the processing paradigm. Okay, which is used for considering the large volume of data into the useful aggregated result. What is the aggregated result means? Here to be in pipeline, we are providing a multiple operations on a set of documents in the collection. Means here at a time we are performing the concurrent aggregation function on a data, and then we will get a output as a aggregated result through MapReduce. MongoDB uses MapReduce command for reducing a number of operations into mapping a serial set of instructions. Okay, so MapReduce is generally used for processing a large volume of data set. That is the basic purpose of MapReduce. Okay, so MapReduce basically used for to process a large amount of data. Okay, so here to be basically the MapReduce operations get divided into the number of, we can say that, operations. Okay, so here the MapReduce function first fire a query on the collection. Okay, then it will be get coordinate or map with the result of documents, which shows a proper output or the expected output. Then we reduce a, we can say that, number of operations whichever we have performed on that data set, and expected output should be displayed on the screen. Okay, so what is the exact use of mapping? The map is in short, we can say that, a function which maps a value with a key attribute, and it emits a key value pair. Emits the key value pair means it shows you a proper output. Then here reduced functionality groups the all document like sorting, counting, minimize, maximize, all these types of operations we are performing on a reduced function. Then we are having a different types of queries that we are firing on the particular collection for selection of the particular parameter from the documents. Then we are sorting a number of documents and then give some limit, maximum limit or the minimum limit on that set of output. Okay, that is nothing but all about the, we can say that, the theory behind the MapReduce. Okay, so now here we will start with sharing a MongoDB screen once again. So here we will start with the actual problem statement. Okay, so here to be, I will share the screen, we will start. Okay, so here for MapReduce functionality we will create a particular collection. Name of that collection is the order. Okay, that order collection I want to create. So for that purpose initially we will fire the query db dot create collection order. So it will be get created a order collection. Then I will add some parameter into it or add some document into it. Okay, so it will show you a particular result. Okay, so wait a minute. db dot, what is my collection name, order dot count. Sorry, db dot order dot count. It is the function. Two record we have added into the collection. Suppose db dot order dot find, it will be showing you a two record. Okay, now we will add some more records into it. Okay, So it will be adding some more record, so that we will add, because here to be we can say that we want some more records, so that we will add initially into the table, and then we will perform some map reduce functionality. So basic purpose of map reduce operation, we have to do the aggregation on the many records, okay, many documents. So that is the main purpose of the map reduce functionality. So we will check how many records we have added. 7 records get added into the table. Some more record we will add, so it is easy for to check the output of map reduce functionality. Okay, so we will add some more record. So it is get useful while we are processing a particular map reduce function. Okay, so here we will add last record, and then we will check db.order.count. So total 12 record we have added into the table order. Okay, now what we will do, simply we will check the table value db.order.find method. Okay, so it will show you a multiple records, okay, on the screen. Now we will go with the first task in the map reduce. Okay, so write a map reduce operation to return the total price per customer ID. Okay, what is the meaning of that total price per customer ID? Each document are having a particular, we can say that here, what is the function we are creating here? Simple function we have created. Okay, then we are having initially mapping functionality, emit customer ID and price, that two want. Then we are having a actual function, okay, that we will fire a query. So it will show you a result. Okay, 1 MR example is 1. Okay, so here what we have done, simple functionality we have performed. Var map, that is the mapping variable, equal to function. What it does, it emit a customer ID and price, because what we want to perform the operation to return the total price per customer ID, means customer ID and price, these two parameters we have to operate in this map reduce operation. So emit two values, customer ID and price. So it will be work like a this pointer, this dot customer ID and this dot price. So object will be hold a current value, okay, of customer ID and the price of that customer ID. Then we are reducing the, what reduce function emits, key comma value. So what key and value? Here we are returning array dot sum of value. Okay, so here what is the sum we want to perform? We want to do the summation of price. Okay, so here return array. So whichever the array it get return, it will get a return of price array. So we want to perform a summation of that particular price. Okay, and then we are db dot map reduce. Okay, this function we will call map comma reduce comma, that is the, what is the output? MR example. Okay, so all of you concentrate here. Initially db dot order dot map reduce. It is the by default, we can say that function provided by the MongoDB, in which we are providing three values. First will be mapping. In that we are emitting two value, customer ID and price. In reduce function we are doing the summation or the aggregation function on the price, and then whichever the output is coming, that result will be stored in mr example. Okay, so result mr example OK1. What is the meaning of that? That result will be get created under the mr example. Okay, so that is the basic, we can say that functionality get created. So we will check our answer. So in mr example our answer is ready. Okay, so it will be get created under mr example. So just all of you check out what we have done. Customer ID and value get printed, but here what we have performing, reducing to perform a summation of price. Okay, so summation of price of the particular, you can say that. So all customer ID, so here the repetition of customer ID get deleted, and what they have done, they have performing addition of same customer ID. So here customer ID 1234 1234, addition of price is 200. So here customer ID 1234, summation is 200. Suppose here we are having 1121. So how many types 1121? Two times it will comes, and each having the different 320 and 220. So it will be get 540. Okay, so what exactly this map reduce function perform the operation? Initially we are emitting the two value. We want to display the two value, that is the customer ID and price. So we have mentioned these two value. In reducing we are performing the aggregation function. So in that function, key comma value. So what the key comma value? Keys are nothing but customer ID and price, and what is the value? Value is the price. Okay, so return array. So which array? That is the price array. Array dot sum of value. So we are performing summation of price. Okay, so here they have performed two array. One is the customer ID and another is the value, and for each customer they are performing the summation of value. And if that particular customer appears in the only one, we can say that only once in the documents, then what they have performed, only that customer ID single time and price whichever mentioned in the relation itself. Okay, so accordingly we have created a map reduce functions. Once again I will explain you. In map function we are emitting the two value. In reducing we are performing the aggregation function or the aggregated result we expected, and then db dot order dot map reduce. So map comma reduce these two value, and in out whichever the result coming from map reduce function, that will be get written under mr example. So mr example new relation or the new, uh, we can say that here collection get created under the map reduce functionality. And what is the result? Mr example OK1 means it is created. Now how we have to check the result? Directly our find method, db dot mr example dot find. It shown you a aggregation function with the map reduce functionality. Okay, this is the map reduce. Now here the second task under the map reduce functionality, we want to count a number of female and the number of male which is responded to the order collection. Okay, suppose I want to find out how many male are there and how many female are there in a order function. Sorry, in the order relation. So here what we have done initially, we will call each function. Okay, so here what we have done, we have calling initially here the function. Okay, what is the function we have called? That is the reduce function emit this dot particular gender 1. Okay, so this dot gender colon 1 we have called. Okay, after that what we have called here, the function. Okay, so here all of you start with the basic syntax, we will follow it. So here directly they have called here the each function. Okay, so before that what we will do, we will directly call this particular function. Okay, wait a minute. Now instead of writing all the value combinedly, what we will do, we will directly call the map reduce function. So in that map reduce function, what we want to do, we want to count a number of female and number of male into that collection. So here db dot order dot map reduce. Now I have called a map reduce directly itself instead of calling map and reduce separately. So in that we will start with the function itself. Okay, so open the bracket function. What the function does, function emits the value. So now I want a gender. So gender is present in the particular collection. So I have this dot gender. Okay, so emit this dot gender comma 1. Then what is the next function of reducing? Here we are returning the array of sum of female. Okay, so I will counting a female number from my collection, and then out demo. Demo is the table I have created for this particular output, and then directly I call the find function. So it will be get created. So instead of directly calling find function, you have to do one thing. You have to close that, and just that will be the result. Okay, 1. So what they have done, initially they will emit the value gender. Okay, and then function return array dot sum on female. Okay, and out demo. So demo collection get created, demo. Okay, 1. So directly I will call db dot, what is that, my table name, demo dot find. So in that they will show you id male equal to 6, female equal to 6. Okay, so in that they have shown us key comma value. So what is the value? Value initially is the particular gender. So key comma female, directly value we have put here. So array dot sum dot female. So they have shown you a male is 6 and female is 6. So it is instead of doing the searching operation for each record, the too many records are available in my collection, or the too many documents are available in my collection. But using the map reduce functionality, what we are doing, we are creating a one aggregation function and returning a value from that function. Okay, it is the basic use of map reduce functionality. Okay, initially it will mapping, then reduce the set of output, and it shown you a pretended output. Okay, now we will go with the next example. What is the next example? Count the number of each type of rating. Okay, now that I want how many, the rating 1, how many values are there, for rating 2, how many values, for each order I want to count the rating type. Okay, for that purpose I am having one more function. Okay, so that we will call db dot order dot map reduce, emit the rating, this dot rating 1, and on rating I will call the aggregation function, return array dot sum dot rating out demo. Instead of demo I will give you a name demo 1, because already I am having a name demo. So I will give you a table name new. Okay, and then I will call, so demo 1, okay 1. So db dot demo 1 dot find. So it will shown us id, that is the by default 1 2 3 4 5, whichever created by system itself, and value for that first id 1 value 2, id 2 value 2, like that they are doing the summation of rating and directly they have shown us. So for that particular id, they have performing the addition of rating column for that particular customer id. Okay, so that is nothing but the, we are performing the map reduce function on rating column. Now we have to calculate the average rating for each order. Okay, suppose I want to find out the average rating. So for that purpose we will perform average functionality, db dot order dot map reduce. What we are emitting in function, this dot customer id comma this dot rating. So two parameter I want to display or represent in my table. So this dot customer id and this dot rating. Then function key comma rating, average rating we want to calculate. So rating is the my value parameter. Return array of AVG, aggregation function. Here we have used average, AVG instead of summation. AVG of rating. So here demo 3. Suppose I have created a new collection, demo 3. Okay, so demo 3, okay, 1 db dot demo 3 dot find. Okay, so here we have doing the average. Okay, performing the average of particular rating value. So 9202 is my customer ID. For that customer ID, the average value is 3 of rating. 7181 customer ID, average value is 4. Likewise, each customer ID they have represented with their average rating value. So out of this particular set of output, we will identify the topmost rating for the customer. So here 3141 customer are having the topmost rating. So here that is the use of, we can say that here performance analysis get performed using the MapReduce functionality. Okay, so here different types of observation we have to find out through the MapReduce function. Okay, so basically whenever we are having a large volume of data under the collection and we want to perform some aggregation result, or we want some aggregation result from that table, then we will perform a map reduce functionality on that particular collection. Okay, this is the all about map reduce functionality. So all of you remember one thing, as per the MongoDB documentation, MapReduce is the data processing parameter. Okay, data processing paradigm. So for considering the large volume of data into the aggregated result. What is the meaning of that aggregated result? Means here we are performing the average of rating, summation of rating, counting the female, counting the male for our particular relation order. Okay, this is the aggregated result we are expecting from that table. So that is we want to perform under the MapReduce functionality. Okay, so all of you do the practice for different MapReduce operation for any existed collection. Okay, thank you all.